Welcome back. Let's head to the courts now, where defending champions Jamalco and Upsetters A secured their spots in Saturday's final of Netball Jamaica's Major League. The Titans will battle Speg A in the Intermediate A Division Championship decider after they also scored semi-final wins earlier this week. Daniel McLeod tells us more.
Defending champions Jamalco remain on course to retain the Major League title after a 51-45 victory over Tivoli at the Leela Robinson Netball Courts on Tuesday. Former national player Vanessa Walker led Jamalco's charge with 20 goals from 27 attempts, while current Sunshine girl Giselle Allison chipped in with 17 from 24. Having built up a 9-goal lead after 3 quarters at 39-30, Jamaica held off the charge of Tivoli A, who netted 15 to their 12 in the fourth quarter to win by 6 points. Tracy and Francis netted 21 from 22 attempts in the losing effort for Tivoli A. Veteran coach of Jamaica, Winston Neville, says he was very strategic in the contest.
We plan and try to mark up Shanice Beckford, because you know she's a national player, really strong, very good player, one of the best in the world. So we try to mark her, double mark her, and keep her kind of quiet. And the goal shooter, which is Francis, and you know the attacking here, against our defensive era. So we just crowd the era, win their ball, and try to maintain that standard and put it in the center circle, put it in the goal shooting era, and then we get it scored.
Jamalco's opponent will be Upsetters A. Brina Spencer top scored with 45 goals from 51 attempts to lead Upsetters A to a 60-42 win over Rockers A in the other semi-final. After entering the half with a 2-point lead at 26-24, Upsetters A turned in a dominant second half display, outscoring Rockers A 17-18 in the third quarter and then 17-10 in the last quarter to come away with the 18-goal win. Marian Fredericks scored 38 goals from 44 attempts in the losing effort for Rockers A.
The first 2 quarters were difficult. Rockers really came out tonight. It was a very tough one in the first 2 quarters. Some silly turnovers, but we get it together in the third quarter and the fourth one.
Meanwhile, in the Intermediate A Division, Speg A defeated Friendship 43-36 in a thrilling encounter.
Well, we came out with a game plan of just possessions. Any turnovers that we got, we wanted to capitalize on those, and we did exactly that today.
In the other semi-final, Titans defeated Job's Lane A 32-24.
I'm super proud of the ladies. They were very nervous coming into the game, but each one helps one, and each lady was motivating the others. So I'm so proud of their performance.
All finals, including the minor and mini divisions, will take place on Saturday. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.